Rixos, downtown Antalya, Turkey. Rixos downtown Antalya offers guests a fabulous juxtaposition of an urban resort in the center of Antalya, where city and nature collide. With views over the Mediterranean Sea and the Taurus Mountains, the picturesque setting of the Rixos downtown Antalya makes it a natural choice for anyone seeking rich and varied culture in a resort setting. From the yacht-filled harbor to Hadrian's Gate, a powerful reminder of Turkey's role in the creation of civilization, it is easy to see the allure of Antalya. Clear blue skies, lush green mountains, and the sparkling sea create a colorful backdrop for activities within the resort or sightseeing beyond it. Rixos downtown Antalya boasts excellent resort facilities in an urban setting. Enthusiasts who enjoy sports anytime and any place will be happy at Rixos downtown Antalya. There is a wide range of options with outdoor facilities, swimming pools, tennis courts, and a fitness center equipped with state-of-the-art equipment. Get ready to immerse yourself in a vibrant world of unforgettable events, special celebrations, and exciting activities. From live performances and parties to engaging children's programs and dynamic sports activities, our 2025 calendar is designed to offer something for everyone. Whether you're celebrating a holiday or simply seeking adventure, join us for moments of joy, discovery, and connection. Immerse yourself in the excitement. Each season brings new surprises tailored to make your stay extraordinary. Discover a new level in wellness at Medworld Health Rehabilitation Center. Located in the heart of the city and designed with your well-being in mind, Medworld Health Rehabilitation Center offers a unique fusion of advanced medical care and holistic therapies. Whether you're seeking preventive treatment, recovery from illness, or simply a revitalizing escape, Medworld is your sanctuary for transformation. Rixos Golf Range offers a great training course in the heart of the city for both professionals and those who want to start golf. Rixos downtown Antalya has fabulous restaurants offering delectable cuisine with Turkish delights and modern European favorites on the menu alongside international specialties. The hotel bars serve everything from morning coffee to sundowner cocktails. Enthusiasts who enjoy sports anytime and any place will be right at home at Rixos downtown Antalya. With indoor and outdoor facilities, swimming pools, tennis courts, and a fitness center equipped with state-of-the-art equipment. The hotel offers a wide range of options. From a quick dip to a more friendly competitive game of tennis with friends, there is an activity here for everyone. Rixi Disco proudly presents music, entertainment, dance, and plenty of laughter guaranteed. Only the precious guests of Rixos downtown Antalya can access our private beach on the famous Konyaaltı Beach directly by the panoramic elevator. Aruna Beach is renewed in bohemian style, and the new concept menu of Aruna Beach offers you delicious snacks a la carte and local foreign alcoholic beverages, hot cold drinks with an all-inclusive service. For the comfort of our lovely guests, Aruna Beach provides towels, umbrellas, and sunbeds, in addition to changing cabins and a private toilet. With privileged services in the heart of the city, you can only enjoy the view of the Taurus Mountains, the crystal clear waters of the Mediterranean Sea, and the magnificent renewed Aruna Beach,